Hello there. I'm going to quickly go over how to manage the web pages in this video. It's a nice, easy to use setup, and we'll just go through that really quickly. In your admin, you have the web manager item under the menu, and under the sub menu items, you have pages and menu. Staff and board are mentioned in another video. They have a little bit of a different function, but the two items we're interested in are pages and menu. So we'll look at pages quickly, and in this case we have a bunch of different pages. If you say want to create just a simple informational page, you can either copy another page or create a new one at this little plus sign at the bottom right. So let's just create a new page real quickly. So we have the name of the page, and this is just for the admin's reference in the list, so you can choose which one to edit should you need to find it later on. So let's just go with test page 1. The page URL, it must start with a /, but we'll go with test-page-1. Page style, you have the see-through menu and solid menu, and this may be different according to the design of your website. In this case, we're going to go with the solid menu. We'll save the changes, and we come up with the different languages, the editing of the different languages of the views. In this case, we're only going to worry about the English one, so we'll give it the same page title. We'll save it again, and then you click on the English Visual Editor. And now what this does is it brings up a blank page. You can see the buttons at the bottom. You have add section, HTML, save and close without saving. They're pretty much self-explanatory, but what you see here is what you would see on the website should you go to this URL. So right now there's nothing. To get started, you just go click add section, and what comes up is a dialog of a bunch of different layouts. With images, ones with code you can add, and down here with the wording you have account application, certification list, board list, all of the functions you may want to list certifications or members, or a member finder, a contact us form, online form, all kinds of good stuff there. But for now we'll just do an informational page. One thing to note with these other custom ones with the lists and items and all that stuff, there's some settings that are maybe a little bit confusing. Don't hesitate to contact me should you have any questions about those. But we'll start with a header page with a background image and some information. We'll choose this first one. So now, as you can see, you have everything that looks like, or that was in that little image. So let's just do a few things. To edit things, you literally, if you want to change the text, all you do is just change the text, like so. If you want to say, oh, I want to add a button, at the right hand side you have a list of all kinds of content layouts that you can add in. To narrow them down, you have this little drop down, so we'll select buttons and you can see all the different button options. Let's just drag on a button. As you can see, as you're hovering, it chooses where it will go. So we want it underneath, so we'll just drop it underneath, like so. Edit the link. And if you want to say download a file or something like that, you click on that little link icon here, and now it comes up a file manager where all your company files are managed. If you want to upload one, just go like so, and we'll just quickly upload something here. Reload that, click on it, and now it's a download for that file you just uploaded. If you want to just add a manual URL, you can do so as well. Let's just do a couple other little things. If you want to change the background image, there's a little wrench at the bottom. Click on it, and you have different functions that you can just change to say, let's do a dark background. So as you can see, a light background. Or if you want to change the image, choose image. Let's just select an image here. And you can do an overlay color. and change how dark or how light it is here. There's all kinds of functions that you can explore. I'll just go with dark. And then when you're done, just click outside of the box. And oh, see, we can see, can't see the text too much. This is where we would go back to the defaults, or go light, or go dark, sorry. And then we'll change the image again. Okay, so now it's a little bit faded. So then at the top left, there's also a, oh, nope, sorry. Anyways, this just takes a little bit of playing with, and we can go content style and have no transparency set, and that makes it a little better. Let's just darken that image again. There. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to modify stuff on the website. So now we have one section. To add another section, you would just go like so, and now we have another section. If you don't like that it's a full screen section, you can change that as well. So now it's a short one. If you need to move them around, you can do so here. Now that one's at the top. And then when you're done, you just go save, or save and close. There's also a preview button if you would like to see it. So this is how it would look like on this particular website. So yeah, that is pretty much it for how to modify web pages on the back end of here. One other thing I want to show quickly is the menu, because you need links to it. So you click on menu, and as you can see, you have some options here, and these are the pages you created, and you can see at the bottom we have test page 1. So let's say we want to add that to the main menu. We just drag it onto the menu structure, and now it will become the second item. So let's save that and have a look at this. Once we refresh it, and you can see here's test page 1. Say you need to change the text, you just hit this little pencil, change that text there. If you want to make it on a drop down item, just drag it so that it's a sub item of that item. We'll save that, and you'll see that this one becomes a drop down. So functions like that. If you need to add custom links, you can add them here as well. And then click add, and it will do that. So that's about it for that menu editor. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.